Good morning children, hope everyone are good. Yes, children, in last class we completed this third chapter completely. We saw the lesson the magic of silk. Yes, everything was clear in that lesson. Now let us enter into the new chapter, that is fourth reading a Tenali paints a horse. Yes, so children, before we are going to enter into this chapter, let us go for page number 57, face sheet. Okay, look at the picture and answer the following that follows. Yes, first 2 seconds children, look at this picture. Yes. Look at the title and guess what you are going to read about. Yes, what is the title children? Tenali paints a horse, right? So, can you guess what we are going to read here in this chapter? Yes, obviously it states that Tenali, in the sense Tenali Ramakrishnan paints a horse. Yeah? In this lesson we are going to see why the Tenali painting a horse. What made Tenali to paint a horse? Everything we are going to read in this chapter. Who do you think is the person with the turban? Yes, the person with the turban. Who do you think? Yeah, obviously he is looking like Tenali, right? So where did that Tenali used to stay? In which kingdom? Whose kingdom? Yes, Krishnadevaraya, right? Krishnadevaraya. Can you name the person sitting on the throne? Yeah, the person who is sitting over here is king, right? Always sitting here, but he is sitting on the king, right? With the turban, who is that? He is king. Next question, can you name the person sitting on the throne? In the sense, this state. He is none other than Krishnadevaraya, right? What do you think Tenali Raman will do in the story? Yeah, what do you think children? Yes, by reading the title we can say he is going to paint a horse, right? Yes. Can you share a story about Tenali Raman? Do you know anything? Any stories? Yes. Okay, find one story and tell me in the Zoom class, okay? This is a small task for you about Tenali Ramakrishnan. Or each one of you share a joke before your class. Yeah? Okay. If we are in the offline section, we are going to do this, yes, but we are in the online, so we cannot. Right? So let us enter into the chapter now. Okay. Tenali Raman was a poet and just in the court. Yeah? Of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara. Right? He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer the questions. Yes. So here Tenali Raman. Who is Tenali Raman? He was a poet and justed in the court of King Krishnadevaraya, Vijayanagara kingdom. Yeah, justed in the sense the person who cracked jokes, say funny jokes to the kingdom. Yes. Yeah. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. Wit in the sense ability to be clever. Yes. He was very clever and he was very intelligent. He know what to do at what time. He know everything he know. Yes. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. So there is an interesting play here. Even this is also a small play which says that he is very wit and he is very clever. I mean, sorry, intelligent. Yes, now let us read the drama. So what are the characters involved in this? Raja Krishnadevaraya, who is the king of Vijayanagara. Tenali Raman, poet and justice in the court. First courtier, second courtier, third courtier, fourth courtier. Courtier in the sense the people who live in the court. Yeah, who are sitting in the court are known as courtiers. Yes. So scene 1. Let us enter in first scene. One day Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watch as an artist shows his paintings to the king. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. So, what happened? One day Krishnadevaraya and his Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers seeing the picture which was drawn by an artist. Then they are watching that picture. So everyone were impressed by looking at that picture, but one person, there was Tenali Raman, who was looking very disappointed. Okay, What was the conversation started between them? About Raja said, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the peace of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a big bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at your court and make more beautiful paintings like this. Yes, Raja saying to the artist that, yeah, it was very wonderful painting. I never seen this type of painting. So what was the painting here? See, this was a painting which is done. There you can see a pleasant atmosphere here. Yes, you can see pleasant atmosphere here. Piece of village you can find here. So you are a very good talented artist. I am offering a bag of gold to you. I hope you will stay. You should stay here and you need to do more painting for us. Raja is saying to the artist. Then artist says, Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint you for your majesty. So he is saying, Your Highness is very kind. I'm very happy to do more paintings for you, majesty, he is saying. Tenali said, I do not think there are such good paintings at all. Yes, Tenali, when this conversation was going on, Tenali involved in the conversation and said, I think this was not such a good painting at all. Then Raja said, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Yes, how can you say that they are perfectly lovely? It's Raja saying. Tenali said, for one thing, where is the other side of this two men? You can only see their one side. For another, where is the face of that cow? Yes, Raja said, what is the thing did you find in that? Why are you saying that is not good? Then Tenali answered, okay, first the thing is that, see here, the two people were there here, right? Who stood like this, only one side of them. So he is asking, where is the other side of the two men? This is one thing. And second thing he is saying that the cow, yes, it was turning that side. So where is the front part of the cow? Where is the face of the cow? He is asking. Yes. Raja said, what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine. Yes, you must imagine that bits that are missing. Raja said, you are ignorant fool in the sense you don't know about it, he is saying. Don't you know that in painting everything can't be done. We need to imagine by looking at the picture, he is saying to the Tenali. I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had the paints. Yeah, he is saying that, okay, I bet I can do very beautiful painting than this painting. If I have paints, I will do compulsory, he is saying. Then Raja said, I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I will give you the paints and the paper. You may also take leave from the court for a month. If at end of the month you bring me a painting that is half as good as the one we saw today, I promise you a bag of gold and the title King of Artist. Then I agree. After a month I will show you a better painting than that one. Then Raja said, okay, I bet you can't do this. I bet one bag of gold that you can't do this, he said. I will provide you pen and paper, okay, pen and paints. Okay, you do the painting, you take leave for 1 month, you do the painting. If your painting is half the better than that painting, I will offer you this gold of bag. Yes, so at the end of the month, you need to bring your painting yourself. Then Tenali said, yes, I agree. After a month, I am sure that I will do that work. I will do the painting and I will show you. The courtier starts smiling, thinking that he would lose the bet. They know Tenali Raman cannot paint at all. Tenali looks at the giggling courtiers angrily and walks out. Then what happened? The other courtiers who are in this court, they are looking at Tenali and they are laughing. They are thinking, he cannot paint because he don't know how to paint at all. How will he get? He will lose the bet. They are thinking. Tenali saw they were giggling, in a sense they were whispering, right? So he saw and very angrily and he walks out. First courtier, you have really caught him out, sir. He thinks he is the smartest person in the world. Second courtier, he has really painted himself into a corner. I would like to see him get out of that one. Raja, I wouldn't be too certain of that. He's really very clever. Then first courtier saying, yes, really you pointed very nicely, sir. He could not paint, but he thinks he's very clever. Then second courtier saying, he by himself is becoming corner. He's becoming last. Yes, I would like to see him to get out. get one of that. In a sense, I would like to see him by losing that bit. Second courtier is saying. Then Raja saying, I am not certain about that. Basically, he is really very clever. Even Raja somewhere he has doubt that he may win the bet because he know about the wit and intelligence of this Tenali Raman. He said that may not happen. Let us see what happens because he is very clever. Raja is saying. So, children, in next section, see what happens. What Tenali is going to paint. Do really he wins the bet? So, we will see in the next video. Okay, children. That's all for today. I hope you understood this scene one play and read this lesson once again. It's look better for you. Okay, children. Be home and be safe. Thank you.